What is going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. For those of you who don't know, I'm a professional trader and leverage instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency, some serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to make better money, head right over to the student program, get signed up, links are above and below. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trading field, follow me on my socials. For instance, guys, I changed my eyes to red, geez, like 4 days ago. I mean, we've been plummeting ever since, guys. A very beautiful, beautiful M formation with a very, very clear point of support, guys. Just an easy call. Let me know if you guys caught that in the last video. I basically told you guys it was going to happen. And guys, if you want to follow me on my socials, definitely do so. It's always helpful. Alright guys, and I wanted to talk about Bitcoin today, and Electroneum, of course, one of my favorite coins. And I wanted to talk about Ethereum. Alright, let's dive right into the price action. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Alright guys, so before we dive into anything, I wanted to talk about the logarithmic cycles really fast. Now in simplicity, we are in green zones. What do you guys think that means just off the top of your head? Alright, now are optimal buy times, okay? These are the best times to buy right here. These are the best times to sell up there. Now obviously we're not going to go just straight up to there, guys. It means we're talking about a minimal Bitcoin of over $180,000 by the time we recover. Stack your bags right now. Okay? There was just a massive dip that just happened. Accumulate your bags with whatever cash you have left. Okay? I say left because I am going all in on crypto constantly, and people think I'm nuts being, all in, 99% in, barely any cash out. But I want generational wealth. I want to leave behind some serious money. I went to Bitcoin Miami this last week, and it was amazing. I met so many people. I met Michael Saylor. I met Kathy Woods, many other influencers. And guys, it's just so obvious what's going to happen here. This is what you're going to do, period. Accumulate now, sell when we hit top logarithmic band. All right, guys? Now let's dive into some of the technicals here. But I really had to go over that for many of you. I've been getting so many questions on where is Bitcoin going to be, and guys, my God, it's going to be astronomically high eventually. But like I said about the convention, buy the rumor, sell the news. The price will go up and then down right after the convention. That's exactly what happened, guys. Let me know when you caught that in the last several videos. And let's dive into the technicals. I'm going to turn off the logarithmic bands and go right over to Bitcoin. Alright guys, so just in simplicity, we've got a few things going on here, but we're on the daily chart here. Let's just dive down to the 1 hour quick. And now, it was a very basic pattern analysis, which was really, really nice. You could have used wedge theory, you could have used many different things. But in general, this is what I have painted up right now. And for instance, like I was talking about, we had an inverse head and shoulders, which was rejected. And guys, just what you probably should have done is entered right at the shoulder up here, okay? Entered that short, and as soon as you confirmed the M formation with the break of the support right here, I mean, rode this for some long gains. Easy money all day, guys. Let me know in the comments if you caught that. I'd be locking in that right now, to be honest with you guys. We are running into another major support zone right here. Okay, I don't have it actually labeled out, but guys, it's there. Notice all the points of touch on the candles. Okay, guys, we have many touches right through here. Now, we could form a bear flag if you guys are still holders and you're still thinking there's a little bit more downtrod to go. It is possible, okay? And for those of you who are confused, guys, this isn't a Bart Simpson, all right? It's too dirty. This massive dip down makes it not a inverse Bart Simpson, excuse me. Okay, but we do have a lot of wedge theory playing out right here. Lots of just nice stuff. There's just very textbook stuff. We could be getting a bear flag right through here, guys. Let's just see what happens. Let's see how this develops. This could bounce up like that. Do a W formation, start to trickle up and retest resistance up here, guys. That's something that could definitely happen. All right. What I want you guys to do in this moment is stay on the higher time frames. Okay. If you're doing lightning trades or fast trades, guys, yeah, you're going to be down the 5 all the way down to the 1 minute maybe even, okay? But I'm just talking for the inexperienced people out there that aren't sure what to do. Play bigger time frames, okay? So what I want you to do is watch the volume, okay? Notice the volume peaking, okay? As it peaked, we had the movement. We'll have it decrease now, which could mean a sideways or consolidation phase. For instance, think barbell theory, okay? Let me pull that up here. Bollinger Bands, okay? Widening, consolidating, movement. Anticipate a movement 19th through 20th. Okay, that's exactly what I'd be anticipating just offhand. Now, if the volume continues to stay high, aka above the moving average over the next few days, that move will come sooner. Does that make sense? Okay? That's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin, guys. Easy money. Let's move along. Let's talk about Electroneum. I'm gonna turn off the bands for a second, guys, but we had a nice moment recently. For instance, I had a buy up here, like a nice little profit right there just on some quick coin. And then I noticed another barbell theory right here. Took my entry on a pattern buy, and I got out at the overbought territory right there, guys. That was some easy money over on coin. Make sure to be taking advantage of these moments to extrapolate as much wealth as you can, guys. Knowledge is no guarantee of making money. You actually have to do it. Okay, you actually have to put down the trades. So now what we're looking at here is another widening. Okay, let's just talk barbell theory again. We're gonna get another sideways movement and then another movement. And what I like about what I'm seeing right now is that the stotch is very loaded up. Okay, that means that we have potential for a much higher uprising, and with the decrease in volume, I'm expecting this move to last a little longer to the right here, and then hopefully we can retest some resistances, which is basically right there, and then trend is just above. So if we can break through that, that is a very good sign, and we have a little bit of hope to start to retest reverse pressure. That is exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. Guys, don't sleep on this coin. You will regret it, and if you're looking for fast movements, look for that oversold territory, for instance, when the candle come out of the Bollinger Bands. Take profit on that. For many of you in my programs on your second session, this is a lot of what your second session, not a lot, but a big thing that we talk about in your second session. Okay, let's move over to Ethereum. Now guys, I mean, I'm going to be short with this one because it basically looks just like Bitcoin, but check it out here. So, you know, same wedge theory here, wedge theory, ascending wedge, both broke down. Measurements from the back, target projections easy. I mean, it hits like consistently, but this one really cashed down. So like for instance, that's why I would use the bigger patterns on this one. So for instance, the M formation. Now remember, what's really cool about Ethereum is that we're still nowhere near this what was polar support, now resistance. Okay, we still got a lot of room up here, and we just basically touched a polar support. That's what's really cool. Look at that, guys. That's freaking nice. Check this out. Are we going to hold it is the question. All right, guys, that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum right now. There's that support for the M formation. And we're going to get that same kind of thing going. Notice the decrease in volume. That means we can expect a movement to the right here while we teeter around this now support. And then we're going to get another movement. And I think we could end up with like a cup and handle maybe, okay? Or maybe we could end up with a W formation, okay? Something like this, okay? Retesting with resistance, okay? Or a very solid fair flag, and we would break down further, retesting what is now support, what was polar resistance. Okay, guys? That's exactly what I'm looking at Ethereum. And that's all the time I have for today, guys. Amazing times in the cryptocurrency space, my gosh. I am going to be playing catch-up, I'm not going to lie, for the next several days while I work in students, organize all the connections I've made in Bitcoin Miami. I mean, my gosh. The beauty of my life right now is that I can make money anywhere I go, and I can meet people and basically live a very nice life, meeting new people that are all in my space, and I've never felt more connected with community in my life. It's actually just quite incredible. And making money, guys, let's be real, it's just a lot of fun. And if you understand, you know, what's going on in the cycles, what's going on in the immediate, it makes spending even not so bad. Like you don't feel the pain of spending money on something, other than when I spend money right now, it feels like I'm shooting myself in the foot, because I know exactly where my coin will be later. I know if I put all of my cash, every little thing, into crypto right now, I will extrapolate hundreds or thousands of percentage over the next year or 2 years. This super cycle is looking longer than anticipated, guys. I mean, this could be way over $200,000 at this point, and I know that sounds extreme right now, but I promise you guys, history will repeat itself, but in a new way. This will be different. This will be big. And yes, there will be an 80% blow off after that, mark my words. And guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll see you guys later.
Audio Jungle.